I need a chair. This chair sucks. If I'm stuck in a disaster situation, I want a chair that's going to be able to hold my weight and be as ergonomic as possible.
When disaster strikes, people need more than just supplies. They need a sense of stability. That's why we created a 22 by 14-inch cardboard chair designed to bring comfort to flood victims in Abbotsford. Built through teamwork and thoughtful design, it's proof that even simple materials can make a real difference when it matters most.
Among the many other advantages, this chair is built for stability. We incorporated interlacing slats on the inside around the storage container to support children of any size. It's not just the mass though. This chair is extremely ergonomic. We carefully researched the sizes of children and their dimensions from 4 to 6 years old. And from that, we were able to create a chair that is most ergonomic and comfortable for younger children. This way, they can be sitting in this chair in relief situations for as long as they want without any strain on the body.
Additionally, the chair provides extra storage space underneath the seat, so it's spacious enough to provide extra room for your personal possessions, but the chair can still be assembled under 15 seconds. What really sets the chair apart is its durability and sustainability. It's made from an eco-friendly, durable, and lightweight cardboard, which makes the chair very strong and able to be easily moved around. It is also covered with designs that are very interesting and entertaining to the children to be able to support them in even the most stressful of times.